Can you hear the rain outside? California wintertime. Really, Southern California wintertime, specifically Los Angeles. Yeah, it sounds really pretty. So to make this walnut milk, you're going to need about a 1/4 cup of walnuts, raw walnuts. Walnuts, otherwise known as brain food. Okay, I don't honestly think anybody actually refers to walnuts as brain food, but according to Chinese medicine, walnuts, also known as Hotao Ren, pardon the mispronunciation of this, they're used in herbal formulas to help warm the inner yang qi, or your yang energy. And this time of year, when the weather's a bit colder, it can be useful to include foods that are warming in nature. Soak your nuts in water for about 5 hours, and then toss the water out. Take these softened, wet nuts and throw them in a blender. Add to your nuts about 2 dates, some cinnamon, maybe a teaspoon, a finger of freshly peeled ginger, a pinch of salt, and then some water, about 3 cups. You could also add a little bit of vanilla extract, kind of sweetens up the beverage just a little bit. And so then you're going to blend all of this together to create like a nut slurry. And then after you've blended this, depending on your blender, it could take a little bit of extra time. Strain the nut slurry through a nut milk bag, or milk your nuts. Now, a nut milk bag is essentially an old t-shirt or a piece of cheesecloth, or you could buy a specific nut milk bag on Amazon. And you're going to squeeze out all of this slurry into a jar, a vessel, something that you have to contain your milk. And then enjoy your tasty winter nut milk. Tasty winter nut milk. Yeah, I guess that's how you would call it. It's a tasty winter nut milk.